Alright guys, today we're going to be making some turkey chili. Turkey chili is healthier than regular chili. You can make it with beef. We're going to be using the Nuwave with a enamel coated cast iron pot. So we're going to let this get hot first. Alright, so we're going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan as it's hot now. Enough there. Going to add some onions and green bell pepper. I'll take those out. Add a little bit more olive oil. I think I got enough in there. You can use other type of oil. Get those all good and coated. Let this cook for a little bit. Make sure you're occasionally stirring this up so they don't stick and burn to the bottom of the pan here, or the pot. This Nuwave oven's pretty cool. I can touch all around and it's not hot. The pan's warm though, or pot. I don't know about anybody else, but I love the smell of peppers and onions cooking. Give those a little bit longer. So these are getting where they're pretty good and done, so I'm going to pull these out, set them to the side. Try to get as much as I can, maybe not all of them, but yeah, it started glazing on the bottom of the pan there. Alright, set those to the side here. Then we're going to take our ground turkey, thawed out. Instead you can do beef, you can use a lean beef. Depends on how healthy you want to make it. You can do it with chicken. Chicken's really good. Start breaking this turkey up some. What we're going to do is going to brown this turkey, same as you would do with beef, just brown it up. And you want to make sure that you keep moving it a little bit so it won't stick to the bottom. And right now I have this on a medium-high heat, the same as I did with peppers and onions. Alright, Our turkey is about brown. I'm going to turn this down, back down to a medium. I did turn it back up to a high to get it going again. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add, we use McCormick's. We've also used Aldi brand seasoning mix. It works pretty good. Tonight we're going to use McCormick's Chili Original. They do have a spicier one. It's pretty good. But our daughter don't like it spicy, so we'll do it this way. So mix that in with the turkey. Now I did not drain this. There was very little fat. Beef, you're going to have more fat. You probably want to drain off. And some people may want to drain the fat off the turkey here, but there was very little. It wasn't even worth bothering doing it. Get that all mixed up. I'm going to add the peppers and onions back to it. Mix that back in. And then what we're going to do is we basically follow instructions on the seasoning packet. We're going to add a can of diced tomatoes. Add the whole can. And then to that, it calls for 1 can of light red kidney beans. We add 2. We like the beans extra in there. Makes it a little bit thicker and heavier. We add those 2 cans there. If you like less beans, you add less beans. If you want to add different beans, you can add different types of beans. Make it however you want to make it. This is my way my mom always made it. So she's always used 2 cans of kidney beans, light red kidney beans. So that's what I do. You may get this all stirred up good. Got this on a medium heat. And what we're going to do is we're going to cover and let it cook some. Once in a while you want to check it. Yeah, we got a good simmer going on there. And what you want to do, you want to stir it up a little bit. Make sure it's not sticking to the bottom of the pot. All you're basically doing is heating it up through it and letting the juices thicken up and all the flavors meld together. We'll let that go for a little bit longer. Alright guys, let's take a look at it. Alright. Bubbling good. I think it's about done. What I'm gonna do, turn this down to low. Let that keep it warm. Go ahead and plate up a bowl of it. Don't tell me that doesn't look good. There you have it, folks. Turkey chili, somewhat healthy and very good. Keep warm.